Hello, friends, welcome to Tab's Zone. Today, we're diving into the night Iran did the unthinkable, outsmarting one of the world's most advanced air defense systems, Israel's Iron Dome. In June 2025, the night skies over Israel turned into a war zone. Missiles, drones, explosions. Iran launched a massive missile and drone assault, and for the first time in years, Israel's famed Iron Dome showed signs of strain. A $1 million defense system overwhelmed and breached. How did this happen? For years, the Iron Dome was considered invincible. The Iron Dome is Israel's frontline defense against short-range rockets. Developed in 2011 by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Israel Aerospace Industries, it uses radar to detect incoming threats and launches near-interceptor missiles to destroy them mid-air. It had a 90% success rate against threats from Gaza, Lebanon, and beyond. It's designed to protect populated areas by calculating the trajectory of incoming rockets and only intercepting those that pose a threat. Each Tamir interceptor missile for the Iron Dome costs approximately $50,000 to $100,000. On the 13th of June, Iran retaliated against Israeli strikes with a massive assault. Iran launched more than 170 drones, 30 cruise missiles, and over 120 ballistic missiles. The targets were strategic, airbases, radar facilities, and military command centers. Some of these missiles broke through the Iron Dome and hit key targets, including residential areas and military sites in Tel Aviv. How did this happen to a system once thought impenetrable? The answer lies in a military tactic called saturation. Iran used a military tactic called saturation, firing more missiles than a system can handle at once. First, they launched slow, relatively cheap drones to trigger the Iron Dome and deplete its interceptors. Then, they followed with fast, high-altitude missiles, designed to sneak through those weakened defenses. On top of that, they added GPS jamming and decoys to confuse radar. It was a digital and physical assault, designed to overwhelm, distract, and ultimately, to pierce. Now, it's important to remember, the Iron Dome is just one layer of Israel's multi-tiered defense. It's supported by sophisticated systems like Davert Sling, Arrow 2 and 3, and even the US-made THAAD. But here's the critical point, the Iron Dome was never built to handle advanced hypersonic or long-range ballistic missiles. Iran, through this attack, expertly exposed the gaps in this entire network. They fired from multiple directions, used surprise timing, and blended threats that each system alone simply couldn't handle. This incident will undoubtedly force Israel to reassess its air defense strategy. It could accelerate the development of new systems like the laser-based Iron Beam, which promises more cost-effective interceptions. But it also emboldens adversaries, demonstrating a potential chink in Israel's formidable armor. The Iron Dome, once considered a near-perfect shield, has now faced its most profound test. Its breach in this crucial moment against Iran serves as a stark reminder. In the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare, technological superiority is never guaranteed, and vigilance, adaptation, and perhaps, a rethinking of deterrence, are more critical than ever. The shadows of conflict in the Middle East have deepened, and the world watches, wondering what will come next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.